Really? Who parks that close? All right, everything in. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going truck camping. We are headed out south. We're going down south Minnesota. We're gonna go to Myre Big Island State Park. That's where we're going today. Looking forward to it. They got a big lake down there, so definitely there's gonna be some fishing going on down there. We're at Quick Trip. You know we have to stop here every time we go camping. That's a must. All right. You know we have to grab my favorite monster. 2 of them. And you know we're grabbing the fried chicken, that's for sure. We got our Quick Trip supplies. You know what's really cool about where we're at right now? I think we're in like Northfield. Dude, the Post factory is like right up the street. It smells like oatmeal out here, man. It smells nice. Oh, it smells like that cinnamon oatmeal or green apple. I'm pretty sure Post makes cereal. But we gotta get back on the road, man. We gotta get this camping started. Major update, guys. I lost my water bottle. I'm pretty sad right now. That was my favorite water bottle. I think I left it in the cart when I loaded up the truck with the camping gear, and that was it, man. It's gone. It was my favorite bottle because it was Mav's bottle. If you guys look on my Instagram, you will see that I got to meet him when he did a meet and greet in Duluth. It was pretty awesome. Place is pretty sick. We're in the woods, that's for damn sure. I think there's mosquitoes. Oh, there's mosquitoes. Shut the door, don't let the mosquitoes in. There's mosquitoes here, guys. Woo! Where's that Centella candle? Good thing we got bug spray too, bug fogger. Hi, how you doing? Doing good? Good. All right, I'm glad I bought this thing. Repel outdoor fogger. No mosquitoes no more. How's this thing work? Ooh. I don't even know. Watch out. Oh, this thing's crazy. Pull up our sleeping pads. This thing picks up. There we go. There we go. We're changing things up today. I think we're just gonna use one sleeping bag. It's pretty hot out here. Looks good. The overall shot, look at that, guys. That looks comfortable. Check this setup, man. See, that's truck camping. That's truck camping in style. Shut this thing. Keep things closed at all times, guys. Don't let the damn mosquitoes in. Busting out the inflatable pillows tonight. Still in there. Boom. Those are way easier to blow up than the damn sleeping pads. Those took like 10 puffs. We're gonna keep this closed for now because we got camp to set up still. We're gonna run out. I gotta stop using it. Oh, do you know what? I can finally open my windows. Crank these bad boys open. Oh yeah, these can stay open all night. Ta-da! The mosquito spray is working. A lot of them are gone now. I don't know if I'm gonna find a fishing spot out here. There's a lot of water, but there's a lot of bushes. I'm gonna have to be crawling through the bushes. I'm gonna jump in back here and prove to you it's not hot back here.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Oh,
yes, it is.
Oh, that's tight.
All right, you ready? Close this.
Go ahead, close it.
I'm gonna close it, okay?
It's not bad at all. I mean, you just gotta kick back and relax.
It's warm in there.
It's not that bad. 86?
86?
Yeah.
It was at 85 earlier, so it's getting higher and higher.
Yeah. I mean, it's not that bad.
It's the worst. It's the worst.
It's not that bad.
It's the worst.
It's a little warm in here. Open the side back window just like that. Done.
The bugs are gonna get in.
I think you'll be fine. I don't think they're gonna come in through there. I really do think you'll be fine. Prime conditions right now for some bass. Oh shit, what am I doing? Got the Guggen baits, baby. Hopefully we get something. Ain't catch a squat though. Not a damn thing. They're not feeding right now. They're not hungry or there's no fish in this lake and they're fished out. They're here. There's a dog in that canoe, you see it? There's a dog, he's right there in the front. So, rubber baits ain't doing nothing for me. I'm changing it up. We're gonna go with the spoon lure. Something with a little color. I don't know if it's gonna work, probably not. Doesn't hurt to try though. I didn't catch nothing, guys. Oh, it sucks. I think it's the worst feeling in the world when you don't catch nothing. Not a stick. That's all that counts, a stick.
Which you thought was a fish?
Huh?
Which you thought was a fish?
Yeah, I did thought it was a fish. I really did. I was all excited. Real excited. It's okay though, next time. What are those?
I don't know. Wow. Oh wow, there's another one. Was that the same one?
Them?
Oh look, there's another one coming out. What in the world is that? I have no idea what those are.
Me neither. Are they gophers? No, they can't be gophers, are they? Gophers?
I don't know.
All right, we're back at camp. Mosquitoes are gone. I just sprayed some more of that fogger. Got the fire going right now. So this is the kicker tonight. We're gonna be cooking our hot dogs in fire maple. We're not using a stove this time. We're just gonna use the fire maple. I think it's gonna work out great. Got our hot dog buns right here. We also got some potato salad. So let's get this water boiled and we'll get the kings cooking. Let's put some water. Yeah, she's firing up. Get some wieners in here. Wieners. I go with 4 in here. Sweet. I never cooked hot dogs in a jet boil before or fire maple. It's the first time. I like it though. This is a lot easier than busting out the stove and doing all that stuff. All right, check these bad boys out. Oh, that water's boiling. She's spilling. Was that a mosquito?
I don't know.
Mosquitoes, man. There's mosquitoes everywhere in this place.
Ugh, it's too many bugs.
Like, this is our actual first time, like, camping in the actual woods with the woods growing. Like, wintertime, there's no woods. Everything's dead. It's kind of nice in the winter. There's no bugs. Now, there's mosquitoes. There's ticks out here. Anything you can think of, it's out here. Killer potato salad. I would like to tell you that I made it myself, but I didn't. Sorry. Got it from Costco too. Well, you guys can call me a weirdo, but I like to have mayonnaise and ketchup on my hot dog. Don't judge me. I'm sure there's some weird people out there too that like it too. Let's eat this hot dog. Let's give it a shot. So good. Costco does have the best hot dogs. You can't say no to that. Oh man, let me see how warm it is out. It's kind of warm. 79 degrees inside and 84 outside. It should come down though. It was a lot hotter in here earlier. When I jumped in earlier, it was like 83 degrees. It's blazing. Oh man. But we got some windows open. I got the wind doors open over here. You can see. And I got the back window open right here. Cool us off. It's toasty. Got the inflatable pillows today. These a try too. Now, we're gonna kick back in here for a little bit. We're actually gonna watch a movie. We just watched War of the Worlds. It's hot. We're gonna hit the hay. I'll see you guys in the morning. I woke up to this, guys. Oh man. I think a raccoon got into her stash. Should have knew better. Dude opened it. Oh, man, damn raccoons. I think I got Monster. He even ate the mashed potatoes. I think it's time for breakfast. Breakfast is all done. We got hot dogs and eggs. Pretty good combo. Good. Nothing beats a simple breakfast camping. It's the best. Camp all packed up. Let me show you guys how it's done. Pretty good. So I love having a camper show. You can put all your stuff in here. It's so easy to pack. Guys, make sure you put your campfires out.
Oh, nice.
There you go. That fire's out.
Are you sure?
Yep. Smokey's not here to save us no more. He's in the museum. They got him. Overall, it was a good trip. Didn't catch no fish. A lot of mosquitoes. Night temperatures got real good too. I mean, it was a little warm when we went to sleep. Then it kind of got to around 69. It was like 65. So when it got cooler, then it was great. Then it was really strange. So we were sleeping. It was like 12:30 at night. We woke up. My wife woke up. She's like, wake up, wake up. There's something going on outside. And I was like, what's going on outside? So we listen and you hear ruckus like shh, 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 shh. And we're like, what's going on? So I open up the window was open. So I'm looking out there and I'm just like, there's nothing out there. So we're kind of like, where's the light? So I turn my light on the phone and I'm shining it out there, nothing. We're just like, okay, whatever, go back to sleep. Then I wake up first thing in the morning and our dry food crate busted open, man, broken into. I wonder who did that. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give my videos all a thumbs up and turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss out on my future content. I'm Novice Adventurer. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Oh my gosh. Someone left my bottle. Oh, thank you, whoever left it here and didn't throw it in the garbage. Thank you. Toasting my hand off. Hot. Smoke.
Babe, sit over here. I think the wind's picking up that way.
I know, but I want the heat. It's kind of cold out here. God, there's so much smoke. See all the smoke?
Oh, now it's going the other way.
There we go. Got smoke lines right now. Just like this. Smolder it.
Oh.
Not like that. Make sure you put it out.
Dude, are you doing it right?
Yeah, I'm doing it right.